Hello, welcome to RJ Reviews. On today, we'll take a brief how-to video to change your appearance from light mode to dark mode. Stay tuned. So recently I made a purchase of a 2012 MacBook Pro, and I'm pleased to say that I am thoroughly excited about this device. It's done everything I've needed to do thus far. This is my first Mac, and with it, I've been able to do just about everything that I could do on a Windows machine. So today we are changing the appearance from light to dark. So currently it's in light mode. So basically what we need to do is go to Apple sign, System Preferences, General, and here are your three different modes. Light, which gives you the appearance here, dark, which gives this appearance, and then auto. And this is based on the lighting in the room or the time frame of the day. So being that it's nighttime, it shows this darker view at this time. Okay, now for a demonstration of light and dark, we'll launch the App Store here. And this is what the App Store app would look like in light, and for dark, that's what it looks like. So there's no save button here. Once you exit out of the system preferences, it automatically changed those settings. And that's our video for today. Enjoy. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment if you will, and please subscribe to the channel. Bye now.